Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Soundcore Boost wireless Bluetooth speaker. So I've been using this speaker for like 6 months now, and I think it's excellent. It's got great sound and tons of bass. And you can also connect it to Soundcore's app and create custom EQ settings to dial in that sound to your liking. The speaker has a rugged design. It's IPX7, so you can bring this to the pool, take it to the beach, take it in the shower, and it'll be all right. The battery life is great also. Soundcore says you get 12 hours of playtime per charge, but I feel like the battery lasts me longer than that. I mean, I don't use it 12 hours straight, but for what I do use it for, a few hours here and there while watching videos on YouTube, Netflix, I feel like it's lasted me more than a week before I have to charge it up. Now, I like the speaker so much, I had to get me a second one. So I've been using the speaker as my main sound setup here in the office, and I'm trying to declutter my area, my workspace. I normally use a Logitech with 2 speakers and a subwoofer, but I'm trying to declutter the space, get rid of some of the wires everywhere, so I opted for Bluetooth. And again, this thing sounds great, so I've got 2 to try to get me some of that surround sound going and not have all the wires everywhere. So without further ado, let's unbox the new one and see what we get inside, and then we will test it out. We'll pair them up and we'll see how they sound. All right, so this is the box it comes in. We've got some Anker branding up on the left here. Got superior sound, picture of the speaker. We've got Bluetooth right here. It's 20 watts. We've got bass up technology. Again, there's customizable EQs, 12 hours of playtime, and fully waterproof with IPX7. Another picture of the speaker here. And on this side, on the back side, we've got more specs. You can pause the video there if you want to check that out. All right, so let's open this up and see what we get inside. All right, first thing, get this little box. Got your user manual and your charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. And then we've got a quick startup guide. We've got the speaker. So we've got some Anker branding on the top. And we've got this felt material that surrounds the speaker. The top and bottom is like a rubberized material, some rubber feet. So when you set this down, it doesn't slide around. On the top here, you've got your controls. You've got your power button. You've got your minus button to bring down the sound. You got your play, and you got your plus to raise the sound, raise the volume. And then you've got your bass up button. Then on the side here, on this flap, this rubber flap, you've got a USB-A, a USB-C port, and a button for a true wireless speaker. That is how you connect to multiple speakers. So pretty basic, but you push that in, it's got a good seal. That's why it's got the IPX7 rating. This material, again, it's like a hard rubber. It does attract fingerprints, so you're gonna wanna watch out for that, but it's not too bad. All right, so let's turn this on and see how they sound. All right, so let me turn off the bass up. You got a battery indicator light here. Now this one's fully charged. This one's paired already. All right, so let's see how this sounds. Hopefully the mic picks it up. It's always hard to get the true sound out of this, but I've got the volume set to about 30%. Yeah, let's see how it sounds. Go. That sounds good to me, guys. Bass up. Start the clip. Man, to me that sounded really, really good. It's got clear vocals, plenty of bass. Again, you can connect it to Soundcore's app. Let me do that real quick. Soundcore's app, and then you can create custom EQ settings. Let's do that real quick. All right, this is Soundcore's app. So we've got default setting. Click on that. You've got voice. You've got chill. You've got, what is that, flat. And then you've got custom. And you've got 9 bands that you can adjust to your liking. To me, default sounds good. I don't ever mess with it. But let's play some music again, and so that you guys can hear the difference. So that's default. That's voice. This is what they call chill. This is flat. Go back to voice. Back to default. Sorry. That's so good. Yo, I like the sound of that. So let's pair this up with the new one so we can get some surround sound going. Hopefully we got battery. Ooh. We've got full battery. When it blinks like that, it's in pairing mode. All right, guys, to pair these up together, all you do is press the TWS button at the same time, and then it'll connect like how you would pair it up to your phone. And this is the main one. It's lit up blue. Hopefully you can see that. It's like a darker blue. And this one is a white. So, but they are paired up together. The main one controls both. So here, let me shut it down. They both shut down. Oh man, I thought he'd turn both on, but nope. But we're connected. All right. So again, I picked up 2 so I could place them around my main work desk. So I have surround sound. Again, the volume's not even all the way up, guys. It's not even hitting half. Start clipping if we go any higher. Yo, that sounds sick. All right, guys. Yo, that sounds so good to me. That sounds so good. Again, man, build quality is on point. IPX7 waterproof. So summer's coming up, man, and these are super popular to take out to the backyard, to the pool, to the beach. You can take this anywhere with you. It's not very heavy, and you'll have good sound wherever you go. And if you want, you can buy 2 and have double the awesome sound. So these speakers, I picked them up on Amazon. They're right around $60, but if you're lucky, you can catch these on sale for under $50. And man, at that price, definitely a pickup in my opinion. So if you guys want to check this out, I'll put a link up in the description. As always, the Amazon link is an affiliate link. So if you use the link to make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.